Hi everybody. In this tutorial, we will walk through how to connect Dropbox with n8n. This connection allows you to use Dropbox in your automated workflows. Whether you want to upload files, download documents, or trigger actions based on changes in Dropbox, the first step is always to create a connection. So let's go through the process step by step. Start by opening your n8n instance. This could be running locally or in the cloud. Once you're in the workflow editor, look toward the top right of the screen and click on the gear icon. From the drop-down menu, choose Credentials. This is where all third-party services are managed in n8n. On the Credentials page, click on the New Credential button. In the list that appears, look for Dropbox. When you find it, click on it. You will now see a new form appear where you need to enter some information. This form is how you tell n8n how to connect to your Dropbox account. To fill out this form, we need to get some values from Dropbox. So open a new browser tab and go to the Dropbox developer site. The URL is developers.dropbox.com. Once you're there, log into your Dropbox account if you haven't already. Next, go to the App Console. You will see an option that says Create App. Click on that. Dropbox will now ask you a few questions. First, it will ask what kind of access your app needs. You can choose Full Dropbox if you want n8n to be able to access everything in your Dropbox. If you only want to give it access to a single folder, choose App Folder. Now, you'll be asked to name your app. The app name must be unique, so choose something that is not already taken. Once you name your app, click on the Create App button. Under the OAuth 2 settings, n8n should already have the correct values for authorization URL and access token URL. You don't need to change those. Scroll down to the Scopes section. In this field, type in files.content.read and files.content.write. These permissions allow n8n to read and write files in your Dropbox. Now click the Connect button. This will open a small pop-up where Dropbox asks you to give permission. Review the access request, and if everything looks right, approve the connection. After you approve, you'll be redirected back to n8n. If the connection was successful, you will see a green check mark next to the Dropbox credential. That means the connection is ready to use. You have now connected Dropbox to your n8n environment. From here, you can use Dropbox in your workflows by selecting it in any Dropbox node.